Right. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me, right? Okay, right. So guys, in the previous session, we discussed about which one? Tell me. We discussed about iterative statements, guys. Completely, we discussed all iterative statements. Okay. Now, let's go with some general programs by using these iterative functions. Iterative statements, guys, by using if conditions, for loops. Let's make some programs now. Okay, right. So guys, observe here. Observe now. I'll open or ideally right. So guys, let's talk about one program. Write a program to fetch all even numbers. Guys, all of you. Write a program to fetch all even numbers from list. Means one list is there. From the list, all even numbers we want to fetch. Suppose the list is like this. It is the list of some both even numbers, odd numbers, guys. It is a list of both even numbers, odd numbers. But the required output is so from this one, what are the even numbers? 6, 4, 8, right? So 6, 4, 8. These are the even numbers. We want to fetch these numbers, guys. All of you. Okay. Right. So how to fetch these numbers? One by one element, guys. First, take the first element and check it now. Is it even or not? Then take next element, check it even or not. If it is even, then add to the new list, guys. Because I want the output which format, list format, right? So whenever the number is even number, that number append to what? Append to the list. Into the new list, guys. Okay, so I'll take the name, suppose list 1, list 1 like this, right? So for I in what? List 1, guys. I in list 1. Now first time I value what here? First time I value is 3, right? 3. That 3 we have to check is it even or not. How to check it now? If that I modulus 2 equal to 0, guys. If it is 0, then that I value, what we do? Append to the one list. Append to what? One list, guys. Okay, that list we define here. That list we define. And at the end, we are going to print off what? Print off new list. Print off new list. Yes, this is the output now, right? Yes. Now, let's see step by step, guys, here. See, in the for loop, what's first time I value here? In the for loop, the first time I value is 3, guys, right? All of you. But first time I value here 3. First time I value 3. Now 3 modulus 2 is 0. True or false? It is false, right? It is false, guys. So when I value 3, it is false. If it is false, then for this new list, I will not append. Why? This appending is part of which one? If condition, right? If condition is true, then only that I value append to the list. Otherwise, what is there here? No appending the same previous list, guys. Here no appending. So what is the list already? Empty list. So empty list is there. By end of the first loop, in the new list, what is the data? Empty. Why? Because condition is false, so not adding. Next time I value what? Second time I value 6, guys, right? So first loop over. The second loop, what is I value? I value 6, right? I value 6, guys, second loop. Now 6 modulus 2. 6 modulus 2, how much now? 0. 0 equals 0, true. So when I value 6, it is true. It is true, guys. If it is true, then that I value will append to the new list, right? So now in the new list, what is adding here? That I value. I is what? 6. 6 is adding. So by end of the second loop, that I value is appended to this empty list, guys. Now in the list, what is there here? 6 is there. Next time I value it what here? 4. Next time I value 4. Now 4 modulus 2, 0. 0 equal to 0. It is true, right? It is true, guys. If it is true, that I value already 6 is there. Now 4 append at the end. Append means what? Add the new value at the end. So already 6 is there. The new value 4 adding at the end, right? Next one, what's I value here? 7, right? I value 7. What's condition here? It's false. If it's false, then no appending. The same previous what is there here? The same data now also. Same now also. Next one, 9, right? 9. Condition true or false? Condition false again. And then 6 comma 4, right? 6 comma 4, guys. Next one here. Next one is 8. Condition true or false? Condition is true. Then already 6 is there, 4 is there. Now this 8 will add. Now next any value is there? No. All values over. All values over. Means now all loops over. Once all loops over, once all iterations over, right? Then that final list value we are displaying, guys. So the printer is out of the block, right? See, guys, this is the block. This is the block. Now the printer outside the block is there. That's why it will print the final value. Once all iterations over, at the end in the list whatever value is there, that will display here. That will display. What is the latest value in the list? 6, 4, 8. That will display. That will display here. Suppose see. Once the first iteration over, what is the list value? Empty only. Once the second iteration over, what is the list? 6 is there. Once the third iteration over, what is the list? 6 comma 4. Next fourth iteration, what is the list value? 6 comma 4 only. Fifth iteration, what is the value? 6 comma 4 only. In the sixth iteration, what is the value here? 6, 4, 8. So if you take the printer inside the block, if you take the printer inside the block, here if you take the printer, this is the block, inside the block if you take the printer, so that what happens here? Every time print will display. So first time it will display, second time 6, next time 6, 4, right? So like that, observe now. I take this list out inside the while loop. You can see now, you can observe, guys, here everything display, right? This is the first iteration result. This is what second iteration result, and this is what third iteration result, right? Third result, guys. And this is what fourth result, right? Fourth result. And this is what see now same, right? Fifth result. And this is what sixth result, guys. That's all. All of you. So, but we don't need every iteration result, guys. What we need? The last, the final result. That's why this print should be outside the block, outside the loop, guys. Okay, right, guys. Let me know. So till now, is it clear, everybody? Sudarshan, Muhammad Riaz, Pradhan, Preeti Verma. Let me know, guys. Everybody, is this clear now? Next one, let us try in the same way another program, guys. In the same way we see the another program. What is that one? See, I'll take one string. I'll take the one string. The string is, for example, Hyderabad, right? From that string I want to fetch all vowels. What are those? E is there, E. Vowels means what? A, E, I, O, U, right? So E, A. That is what I want to fetch, guys, here. That is what I want to fetch here, okay? All vowels. So the question is, write a program to fetch, okay? To fetch all vowels from the list, okay? From the string, okay? From the string, guys. That's all. Laughing. So from this string, I want to fetch all vowels. We want to fetch all vowels like this from this string. Laughing. Right. So for this, what we do? The same process, guys, again. So from here, take one by one character, like same by using for loop, and that character check the condition if that character is in vowels or not. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Check it. Is it available or not? If available, then that I value, that character, add to the one new list, guys, because I want to put list format, right? Add to the one list. That's all. Same process, guys. Now observe here. Same for I in what? String. Guys, tell me, vowels are, you can take list format, take the string format, A, E, I, O, U, Suppose we may have the uppercase also, right? Now, first time I value what here? H. That H in vowels. We know the purpose of in, right? Why in is used for checking purpose here. So in this case, right? The I in vowels, true or false? False. That means what? Here? H is not a vowel, so don't append to the list. Next time, what's I value? H. H in vowels, true or false? Again false. It is also false, so no appending. Next time I value what? D. D in vowels, again false. Next time I value what? E. E in vowels, yes, it is true. If it is true, then that I means that E we add to the one list, guys. One list, right? So that's why we'll take one new list, and guys, observe here. If it is true, then that I value I am going to append to what? Append to the new list. Once all iterations over, after all iterations, I am going to print what? The result list, guys. Result list. Yes, you can observe now, guys. Observe here, right? Here also, how it's possible now, you can observe here. Let's take, first time, guys, in the for loop, but first time I value, tell me. First time I value what? Capital H. Then condition true or false? Condition is false, right? False. Condition is false, okay? And then in that empty list, guys, right? First time I value what? H. H in vowels, true or false? It is false. False means no appending. If no appending, what is the list? Empty only. So empty, guys, first time. Second time, what's I value? I value is Y. Condition true or false? Condition is false. Again, same empty only, no appending. Next time I value what? D. True or false? False. Again, it is empty only. Next time I value what here? E. True or false? True. Then that E will add here. E will add, guys. That's all. All of you. Because when I value E, E in vowels, yes, E is the right, guys, here. E is there. So that E is available here, right? So condition is true. If condition is true, that I value, what's I value currently? E. That E append to the list like this. Next time, what's I value here? R. Condition true or false? False. So false means no appending, same previous data only. Next time I value what here? A. Condition true or false? True, right? True. If it is true, already E is there. Now A will add. Next time I value what here? B. Condition true or false? Condition true or false? Condition is true, right? Sorry, false. Then what's the answer here? Already E is there and A is there. Okay, A is there, right? Next time which one here? A, right? Condition true or false? True. Then already E is there, A is there, again A is there. And next time which one? D, guys, right? Hyderabad, D. Condition true or false? Condition is false. And then no appending, same previous data only. All iterations over. At last printing the list. What list now currently? E-A-A. That's all. E-A-A is the answer. All of you guys, let me know everybody. Is this clear now? All of you. So like this, guys, like this we can make n number of programs, guys, right? And let us try one more program, guys. Here one more program. What is that means? Write a program to fetch or to find the length of each word from string. Length of each word from the string. What does it meaning? See the string. What is string here? Python is a simple and easy language, right? Now, so what I want here, I want to find the length of each word. What's first word length? 6. So I take the 6 here. That's all. But second word length is. So I take what here? Is means how many? 2. But third word length 6. Okay, I will take the output 6. Next under, how much here? 3. Next easy 4. And next language, how much here? 8. That's all. 6 2 6 3. Okay, 4 8. That is the required output, guys. That is required output. Okay, required output. That's all. All of you. Okay. Now how to do it now? How to do it here? Here very simple, guys. So first of all, this single string we have to break into words. Python separate word. Next is a separate word. Simple separate word, under separate word, easy separate word, language separate word. Like that, first of all, we have to break it now. We have to break it. How to break it here? How to break it? If you break it into the words, you can take word by word. Take the first word. First time I value first word. First time I value first word. First word length how much now? 6. 6 add to the one list. That's all. Next time second value, second time I value second value, fetch and find the length how much now? 2. Next time third time I value what? Simple, find the length how much here? 6. Fourth time I value what? And get the I value and what's the length here? 3. Next time I value what? Easy and find the length, what length here? 4. Next time I value what? Language, find the length, what length here? 8. That's all. So means here if condition is not there, guys, here, right? Here there is no possibility if condition because no filtering here. The previous we are filtering only vowels, filtering only even numbers, but no filtering. I want every word that length I want. That's all. Take every word from that word. Take the length. So no need of filtering here. So no need of any if conditioning here, right? So my question is here how to break the string into list format. List format means what? List of first Python, comma, is, comma, simple, comma, and, comma, easy, comma, language. So like that, guys. How to break the string into list format? Anyone can guess, guys, here? Anyone can guess here how to break how to split the string into list format? How to split here? Which function we used to split? All of you guys, let me know. So I want to convert that list string into list format. Like that, I want to split. For the splitting purpose, which function we use, guys? Which function we use for the splitting purpose? Anyone can guess in the class? I want split that string into okay. I want split this string into list format. Which function we use? Any guess, guys, here? Any guess? Yes. Which function? Which function, guys? I'll have comment, please. You can comment down, guys. You can comment down the function name. You can comment on the function name, guys. What is that name? Yes, split function. So that name I am going to split. Where you split? Wherever space is there. Wherever space is there, guys. After splitting, the output will be like this: list of first Python, then list next one is next one simple, next one and next one easy, okay, and next one what here? Language. That's all, right? If you split at space, I am splitting at space, guys. Here I am taking the difference of space, means wherever space is there we are breaking, right? That list format result assigned to one variable called suppose I will take some list, guys, for example. Any name we can take here, our choice. Now we take the for loop, not on the name, on the list we take here. Why? Because every time I want I value, every word, like first time I want Python, next time I want is, next time I want simple, like that. If you apply for loop on the name, if you apply for loop, first time I value is P. First time I value what? P. Second time I value what? Y. Because we know that a string is a collection of characters. Each time one character will come. That's what if write for loop on the string. But each time I don't want single character. I want a word, entire word I want. For that we are splitting, and that we write the for loop, guys. Okay, right. Now observe here. For I in what? For I in list. Now first time I value what here? Python. That Python I want to find the length. That length how much coming? 6 is coming, right? That one append to the one list, guys. Okay, I take just result list here. Which one? Result list. Every time that length append to what now? Append to the result list, guys. Append to result list. Once all appending over, print of what? Result list. Print of result list. See now, all of you. Right? Now observe here. Let's see now debugging again. First time I value what? Tell me, guys, here. First time I value what here? First time I value what now? Python. Or first time I value, right? In the list which one? Python coming, right? Python. Now length of Python how much now? 6. How much here? 6. That 6 append to the list, guys, now. So finally in the list what is there now? In the list 6 is there. In the list now how much here? 6 is there. Next time I value what now? Next time I value what here? Is. Next time I value is. Next time I value is. Length of is. Length of is. How much now length of is? 2. The 2 append to the list now. Already in the list what is there? 6 is there, right? 6 is there. Now for that one, what is happening here? For that one, just 2 is adding. Already 6 is there. For 6, 2 is adding. Next what here? Simple. Length of simple is what here? 6. 6 append to what now? List. Already what is there here? Already 6 is there, 2 is there, 6 is appending. Next time I value what here? And how much adding, tell me here? Already 6 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, now 3 is pending. Next time my value what here? Easy. Already what is there here? Already 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, like this. Next time my value what here? Language, right? And observe here 6, 2, 6, 3, and 4, how much here now? 8, that's all, right? Now all words are done, all words over. Finally I am printing outside, so it gives latest list result, guys. How much now? 626348. 626348 is the answer. All of you guys, let me know guys, everybody, is this clear now, guys? All of you. Right. So fine, guys, now we discussed 3 programs here. 3 programs, guys. Actually, I have an assignment, guys. We have an assignment. One assignment is there on these programs. Almost some 25 programs are there in one assignment. All of you guys. So just WhatsApp me on this number. I'll share that assignment, guys. I'll share the assignment. Just you try to complete, practice all the programs, guys. All the programs, so that you get the good knowledge. Because the next concept, that is comprehensions, is completely depending on these programs, guys. So in this assignment, how many programs are there? 25 programs are there, guys. Okay. If you complete all the programs, if you done all the programs, the next concept is comprehensions. That will be very easy for you. That will be very, very easy. Once if you do, these are 25 programs from our assignment. All of you, just WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, so that I will share you that assignment, guys. Everybody, guys. Okay, right. So guys, now we'll stop it now for today, because we have to practice. You have to practice these programs. If you do practice yourself, then you get more knowledge. All of you. So after class over only, I'll share that assignment, guys. Okay. The same model, guys, almost same model assignment is there. Just to try to complete all the programs, guys. You try to finish all the programs, so that you gain the good knowledge. Guys, all of you. Right. So fine, guys, all of you. So my request is, if anybody, guys, not subscribed, please do subscribe and click bell icon to get the notification, guys, all of you. I think YouTube did not click the notification bell. That's why some people joining very late the session. Okay, if you subscribe and click the bell icon, guys, you can join the session when I start immediately. Guys, here I'll explain one program, guys, one more program that also is part of our assignment only, but I'll explain one program, guys, here. What is that means? Some names are there, guys, here. Some names are there, or some words. Let's take some words here. Some words are there. Those words like first one, let's take Python, and next one I'll take the mom. Next one, let's take the Django. Next one, let's take suppose dad, right? And Let's take Java, and last one guys, Malayalam, that's all. Okay, like that some words are there guys, okay, some words are there. Now, the question is, from these words, I want to fetch only palindrome names. Write a program to fetch all palindrome words. To fetch all palindrome words. Right. First of all, guys, is to comment here what is the meaning of palindrome word. How do you define a palindrome word? All of you guys, just please comment below. How do you define a palindrome word? How do you define a palindrome word? Guys, please comment below. How do you define a palindrome word? What is the meaning of palindrome word? Palindrome word. Right. I'll tell you now. See, palindrome word means a word which is having the same spelling, whether you read forward direction or read backward direction, the word must have same spelling, guys. Same spelling. Let's take in the above. Let's take the name, for example, M-O-M. Now read forward, M-O-M. Backward, M-O-M. Yes. This is what palindrome word, right? Palindrome word. Take Django, guys. Okay. Let's take the Django here. Django. See, starting is what? D-J-A-N-G-O. But starting D is not there. Something different is there. So Django is not a palindrome word, right? Palindrome word, guys. Right? Let's take the suppose Java also, guys. J-A-V-A. Forward spelling is what? J-A-V-A. But backward A-V-A-J. Both are not same. That's why Java is not a palindrome word. And one word which we know very well since our childhood, that is what? M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. Right? Read forward M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. Backward M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M. Yeah, same spelling is there. That is what Malayalam is a palindrome word. Means first time I value what? Python. I value. Next time I value what? Mom. Right? Mom. Means that I value, reverse of I value, both must be same, guys. I means what? This forward direction word, right? I means what? Mom. M-O-M means reading forward. Next time I value what? Next letter dad. D-A-D. Forward reading. Means I value is forward reading, right? Forward reading, guys. And reverse of I means what? Backward reading. So I value and reverse of I value both must be same. Both must be same. Then that is called what? Palindrome word. How to find the reverse of I, sir? How to find the reverse of I? I means what? String, right? Either Python string, mom string, or Django string, dad string. How to find reverse of a string? How to reverse a string? That we have discussed very clearly while discussing string indexing slicing operations. How to reverse a string, reverse a list, reverse a tuple, right? Yes, we'll do it again, guys. Observe now. So, guys, observe here for I in what? For I in words, right? And before this one, guys, let me open this one. Let's see all of observe here. All of observe now. One string is there. Suppose Python, right? Python, guys. All of Python is there. All of observe here. Now, guys, if you reply st of. See, I think you remember very well that indexing, slicing operations, guys, right? All of you. Indexing operation, slicing operation. Yes or no? Okay. So here, in case of slicing, guys, slicing, observe now. I am giving suppose to start number double colon. I am giving suppose 2 step size, guys. All of you. So what is the meaning of this one here? So 2 start number. What is start number 2? This is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2, right? 2, guys. Means from here I want to start. This is now 2 over. This over, right? Start number. The step size very, very important here. This step size plus value minus value here. This is plus, right? Plus 2, guys. Plus means forward reading. Forward reading, right? Minus 2 means backward reading. Backward reading, guys. So here plus 2 is there. Plus 2 means what? Plus means forward. 2 means what? Every second character. Every second from T onwards. Every second. It will not take T, H, O, N. No. It takes every second. Plus 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. This is the 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Not there. Plus 2, 8. Not there. Plus 2, 10. Not there. Plus 2, 12. Not there. Means so here it add plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, guys. Alafu. So what is the answer now? The answer is so 2 is there, 2 plus 2, 4 is there. So answer is what? T, Y is the answer. Sorry, T, O is the answer. T, O is the answer, right? Now in the same case, I am taking now ST of, I'll take here minus 1 and then 1, guys, here. Step size 1. What is minus 1? We know this is minus 1, guys, right? This is the minus 1. Reverse the minus 1. This is start number. It is the start number over. Then step size plus or minus. Step plus or minus. Step plus 1. Plus means what? Forward. What means what? Every one character. Next, but everyone is not there, right? Only starting is there. What starting here? N. So N is the answer. N is the answer. Now ST of I will take suppose minus 1 start number. Step size minus 2. Step minus 2. Observe now. What is start number? Minus 1. What is minus 1? N. N is the minus 1 start number, this one. And step plus or minus, minus 2 is there. Minus means what? Backward reading. Allah observe here. Minus means backward reading. In the backward, I want every second one. Every second means what? So H will come. Again, every second, guys, not every one. Y will come, right? Y will come. That's all. P next is not there. So answer is what? N, H, Y. I'm taking every second one, guys. From N, second means what? H will come. Again, what second? Next second means what? Y will come, right? So what's the answer now? N, H, Y is the answer. N, H, Y is the answer. In the same way, I am giving minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, guys. Minus 1, minus 1. What is start number here? Minus 1. This is the minus 1. Start number over. This start number over minus 1. And step size plus or minus? Minus. Minus means what? Backward reading. Backward reading, right? And how much increment? 1 increment. So everyone, guys, okay. O will come, H will come, T will come, Y will come, P will come. So answer is what? N, O, H, T, Y, P. That is the answer. Now you can observe now the string reversing, guys. This is what? Forward. This is what? Backward, right? Backward, guys. Means reverse. For this one, this is what? Reverse, right? Reverse, guys. This is what? Reverse. Right? All of you are clear now. So here I value what now? I value Python. I value Python. Now reverse of I. That means what? That means what? I of minus 1 double colon minus 1, guys. So here, what is the name here? Object name string. So I am taking the string of. What is the object name here? Python assigned to what? I. So I'll take now I equal to, I means what? Main string equal to what here? Reverse. I reverse means what? I of minus 1 double colon, okay, minus 1 double colon. Then what here? Minus 1. That's all, guys. That's all. So I means what? First time Python, right? I means Python. I means what here? Python. Reverse of Python means what? This is the I Python. This is the reverse. Both are same spelling. Both are same spelling. Here starting N is there, P is there. Starting what is there? N is there, right? Both are same? No, both are not same. That's why Python is not a palindrome word. Next I value what? Mom, right? Okay, I value is mom, guys. Reverse of mom is what? Mom only. If reverse also, mom will come. So mom, both are same. That means mom is what? Palindrome word, right? So if I equal to reverse of I minus 1 double colon minus 1. If both are same, that I value I want print. You can see now. What are the palindrome words? Mom, dad, Malayalam. But I want to add to the list here. So take something result list guys here, and you can observe here. So dot append off once all over, print off what like this. All of you, mom, dad, Malayalam are the palindrome words guys. Palindrome words. All of you. Right? So guys, just you practice guys that 25 assignment programs, then the next very powerful, very useful concept comprehensions we discuss very clearly, very clearly guys, all of you, because the comprehension depends on these programs guys. If you practice these programs very well, that will be very easy for us. There is nothing guys. Only the thing is you should know how to use for loop, if condition, appending. These all you must habituate very well. So that the remaining is very easy guys. Comprehensions, lambda expressions, and normal functions. Those all are very easy for us. Okay. Right. So finally guys, now we stop it for today. We will see the next video guys. Okay. Thanks so much all of you guys. Bye.